So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, in this video I am going to do my vacation nails. I am going to Curacao on vacation, and these are the nails that I've done for myself. So before you go ahead and watch this video, go ahead and show me some love on my social media accounts, and then let's come back and watch this video. So look how damaged and how crusty and dusty my nails look. My whole hand looks just dusty. I've got them off in some, soaked them off in some alcohol, the nails in some alcohol, I mean in some acetone, and now I'm spraying some alcohol and using my cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. And I recently did a video on my nails, so I don't have a lot of stuck old skin or a lot of cuticles. So that's why you see me push it back so easily. But when I'm done doing this step, I'm going in with my cuticle scissors and I'm cutting off some excess old skin that I have at my cuticle area. And when I'm done doing this step, I'm going in with my sanding band. I'm going to use it on a low speed to get off the old skin from underneath, the loose skin that we have pushed back, and also to get the natural shine off the natural nail. And now I'm going to apply the tips. I'm so sorry that my footage is blurry. I'm so sorry, you guys. But make sure you press on the nails properly so you don't get any bubbles where the glue is. And now I'm going in with my sanding band once again to get to blend the nail tip with my natural nail, and also to get a little bit over the whole entire nail. So yeah, you guys, and make sure you go in with this bit on a low speed because it will burn very fast. And when I'm done doing this step, I'm going in with my super bond and I'm going to apply 2 coats of my super bond on all the nails. As you guys, if you have seen, I've already have my nails done on my right hand because it takes me always so long to do my non-dominant hand. So that's why I did that off camera. And now I'm going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic. So this is the color that I'm going to use. This is a mix of some pink and I think some cover pink and also some metallic pink. I just made a mix to match with my toes and I'm just applying it over the whole entire nail. And when I'm done applying the color, I'm going to encapsulate the whole entire nail with some clear acrylic. So hey you, yes you, if you're still here watching but not subscribed yet, go ahead and leave subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And I really want to thank you to be here watching with me, making some nails for me to go on my vacation. Thank you so much. If you're still here watching, let me know by commenting a sun emoji in the comment section below. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language, Papiamento, will be vakantie, and vakantie means vacation. Okay, you guys, so this is how the nails look after application. Just so satisfying. I just love it. And if you guys know me, I always have simple nails on myself. I don't know, it takes me too much time to do my own nails, so that's why I always do them a simple design. And yeah, you guys, now I'm going in with my medium grit bit to smooth down the surface of the nails. And now I'm going in with my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. And I'm so sorry you guys that I'm a little bit off camera sometimes, but doing your own nails on camera is the most difficult thing. I'm trying my best. Okay, so this is how the nails look after filing, buffing, and cleaning them. And next I'm going in with my clear rubber gel to apply on the ring finger because I'm going to apply some crystals. And I'm just applying it on the ring finger, and where I'm going to apply the crystals I will be putting a little bit more of the gel so the gel can stuck the best to the crystals. And I'm just going to apply some crystals, and when I'm done applying the crystals I'm curing it under my lamp, and then I'm applying some gel top coat on all the other nails, and I will show you guys the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. These are my vacation nails. If you're not following me yet on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can see my vacation pictures. I will be not posting nail pictures, but I will be posting on my story some things of my vacation. I will tease you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.